Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Wi-Fi. This is the direct path. Once you see the network list, find the connected network and tap the small info circle next to its name. This reveals network details. You will not see the password yet. Make sure your device is unlocked and authenticated. iOS requires Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to reveal stored passwords. Follow these first steps now, so you can access the password field in the next stage. Next, in the network details screen, tap the password row. This action prompts authentication. When iOS requests Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, authenticate. That's why you prepared earlier. Once authenticated, the obscured dots are replaced by the actual password and a copy option appears. You can tap copy to place it on the clipboard or long press to see sharing options. Do this carefully, because copied passwords remain in clipboard until replaced or cleared. To finish, paste the copied password into the target device or app and then clear your clipboard for security. If you don't see a password row, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 16 or later and is connected to the network. Restart settings if needed. If authentication repeatedly fails, confirm Face ID/Touch ID settings and your passcode. As an alternate method, use a Mac signed into the same iCloud account and view the password in Keychain Access. That resolves most edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.